Hey friends and neighbors, it's Kirby. I'm doing a video today to tell you about my surgery and what happened after the surgery. I had my hip replaced June 4th of 2000, and when I got out of the recovery room and the anesthesia and everything wore off, this is what I was left with. These movements that you see with my hands are called Chorea. They are not planned, just spontaneous. I don't control anything about it. The word Chorea is a Greek word for dance, and so you can catch a little bit of a dance movement in them. But that's the main things I just wanted to show you now, so that when you saw me, perhaps I'm still doing the movements. I had these started in 2003. In 2008, we got them controlled by a medication called mycophenolate. From 2008 until 2015, the movements were all gone. So nobody saw them, and you would have thought I was a normal person. 2015, for some reason, they started up again, so we increased my medication. I'm hoping that now in 2000, now that they've come back, well, I hope that perhaps we can just increase my medication a little bit more, and that'll stop these. So the doctors at Riverside keep saying that this is going to go away because it's a result of the anesthesia or whatever. My experience tells me that these are never going to go away. The only thing that we can do is just contain them. Nobody knows where it comes from. Nobody knows how this got started. So that's really, I just wanted to give you some information about what was going on with me. It takes me a little more time to get my energy back. All of this is kind of draining, so I'll be a little bit slow coming back, and but look forward to seeing everybody in the future, and life is going to go on, and we hope to find our answers. So I guess mainly what I wanted to say. Thanks.